This home is brought to you by Darren Webb of Team Webb at Century 21 Goodyear Green. Fabulous gym and sought-after FLESHMANS country living, 1.81 acres and perfect for family gatherings and entertaining. 2021 whole home renovation, beautiful wood flooring throughout, paint, fixtures, you name it, it's been done. Kitchen west/granite countertops, backsplash, electric range, microwave, dishwasher, pantry and tons of storage. Kitchen has breakfast bar and open dining area west/great view of backyard, opens to large family living area west/fireplace, built-ins and tons of natural light plus backyard access. Check out the awesome ceiling, special, master suite is oversized west/walk-in closet, updated bathroom west/LRG walk-in shower. 2 secondary bedrooms share bathroom west/tub/shower combo and granite. A bedroom on far side of home has half bath access. Utility area off kitchen west/tons of storage and garage access. Fenced backyard west/covered patio plus 2 outbuildings, great use as shop and storage.